Hey guys, I'm Naval Yamal. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to the playlist of Power BI. I hope you are enjoying the videos. So let us continue with the visuals section where we are going to cover on the table and matrix, and let us take some visuals and see what does the slicer means in Power BI. Let us take table first. So if you take table, here you can see you get table in columns. So you get only one field like columns. So let me add a country, for example, country that will show you country wise. You're getting some not applicable here. Let us deal with that not applicable later on. Or let me skip this and take a category. So I'll tell you how to deal with that not applicable. So I have category in this way, and I'll take a total sales amount. I'll just take, it will go inside the column. It will show me the second column as the sales amount. You can see it. And it is filtered, guys. It is filtered. Automatically it is filtered. So this is a category wise sales data. Let me take a new column chart or a bar chart. Let me take a column chart here. And let me take a date and some order quantity. Order quantity is here. Yeah, I can do. Yeah, in 2019 we got the highest orders. So I go to visuals and just on this data labels so that you get the data labels on here. I can see how many orders, total orders I got in 2019. So let me take one more visual, for example, a pie chart. We have seen about pie chart. So I'll do some analysis based on the, let me check. Let me check about the region with the, yeah, I have all these regions with, oh, I think there are more regions. No, if you're taking pie chart, it should be like you should have only four, five to six fields in that, not more than that. So let me take some other field. I'll be taking country, but there is some not applicable data there. Yeah, I need to filter out this data. I'll tell you how to filter that. Okay, no worries. I'll take a country. Country wise, I'll let me take a sales. Okay, sales amount in this pie chart. So here is my sales amount. Yeah, I can see a sales amount, but there is not applicable. So I'll remove this not applicable first. I'll use a filter. So I'll tell you how this filter works. So now let us use this filter to remove this not applicable. We will see in detail how this filter works in our coming videos. So let me select all and let me remove this not applicable. So you can see that not applicable has been removed from that. Okay. So let me close this. Now what I like generally want to focus on is your slicer. So slicer is a visual and it is one type of filtering also. So with the, it is an interactive filter. So if you take a slicer, it is asking you for to add only one field in this. For example, if I take a product or if I take a category inside this, you can take any value. Now we got all the categories where I can see here. Now if I tick on suppose accessories, you can see I am using or I am applying a filter. So now all your visuals are interacting with this slicer. So I am getting all the details related to accessories. To show you more, let me take one more card here and let me put a total sales amount in this card. So the total sales amount is it is somewhere here. Let me take this. Yeah. Now it is showing me 1.27 million. So is that 1.27 million my total sales? No. The sales is belonging to only accessories. So let me remove this. Now you can see all my visuals are interacting with this slicer. Slicer is one kind of filter only, but it is a visual. It is a filter is different, slicer is different. Now if I want to see like, hey, I want to see the details of the bikes. So let me click on bike and you can see all the visuals are interacting with your slicer byte. So now if your question is, so what values I can take in this slicer? You can take any values. You can take a categorical values. You can take a date values in this. So let me remove this category. And if you ask me, can I take a date? Yeah, you can take a date. So let me put a date column in this or date field inside this. So it is showing me the date, but this doesn't look good because I am like I'll not scroll each and every year and just tick on a day. So here you have a beautiful option. You can just click on this and you can say that, hey, can you please show me the date hierarchy? If I click on data hierarchy, you can see that your slicer has converted to the hierarchy and it is showing me 2017's data, 18, 19, 20, 21. If I drill down, if I skip uh, click on this, I'm showing the details or I'm getting the details of quarter. If I click here, I'm getting the details of the month. If I click down, I'll get all the days. Now, if I want to know, hey, what is my sales in 1st January 2017? Just click it. You can see that, oh, there is no sales in 1st January. So if I click on complete January and hey, there is no sale at all in the month of January. So what about March? If I click on March, no sale in March also. So I don't think we have sales in quarter one. Let me click on quarter three. Now you can see that, hey, my sales in quarter three is this much. Now if you want to verify, no, I want to check it. Yeah, you can check it. You can just take a line chart or a column chart and you can verify your results. Okay, obviously it will be correct and it is syncing with, like it is interacting with this slicer. So not only the date, you can take any other values also. So all your visuals will be interacting to this slicer. So you can take a date or you can take a city, country. Okay, let me take a map here and show you. Let me take a map visual here somewhere, and let me take a country inside that. Yeah, I can see country here. Now, yeah. So let me pick country in the slicer. Now, if I click on Australia, you can see all your visuals will be interacted to Australia. You can see you are getting only the map which is related to Australia. If you click on Canada, it will change. You can see the details related to Canada. I can say that, hey, my total sales amount in Canada is 1.98 million. You can see 1.98 million in Canada. And if you want to see like what are the exact values, like 1.98 million in Canada. And in accessories, I got this much sale in Canada. In bikes, I got this much. And in clothing, I got this much. And I can see the Canada map also. And year wise, I can do the analysis in 2017, this much, 18, this much, 19, this much, and 20, this much. So, this is how your slicer is powerful, visual. So, it is like it will filter the data, whatever fields you have taken, it will filter according to that. So with the help of this slicer, you can create more focused reports by putting slicers next to the important visuals. So if you have any important visual and if you want to highlight, so you can just put a slicer there and with the help of this slicer, you can interact with that. So it will make it very easy for the end user, for the stakeholders to check their data and interact their data with the help of this slicers. So one of the very important visual in the Power BI. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. So thank you for watching. Keep learning.